So this channel, we've made about 20 videos at this point, I think, and it's currently average in around 2K a month. As you can see, we've literally started posting here. If you go last 20 days, there's no prior videos here. So we're posting here, but like it wasn't picking up impressions until recently. So in total, it's done 3K. In the last 28 days alone, 1.8K, which is not the greatest, but you know, it's a channel I don't really put that much effort in, so I'm not gonna complain, as you can see. So not bad, $50 day. Sometimes it goes pretty low, at $23 a toucher, but at least I'm not gonna complain. It's a passive income channel. I'm gonna show you how to automate making these videos, right? By the way, it's USD. I just wait for this load. It is USD currency. It's not some Ugandan currency. So I'm going to show you how we make these videos, how you can start making these videos. Let's go to this video data. So we'll go along, watch it. I'm going to break it down, how you can make thumbnails, how to come up with ideas, and how to also generate these videos with AI. So if you have any sort of attention span, you're going to learn how to actually start a profitable YouTube channel on YouTube. I don't think there's a lot of people out there that's actually doing what I'm doing, which is literally, and I'm not going to be doing it for a long time, which is me coming on YouTube and exposing channels that's making me money right now, right? And still, I get hate, by the way. So it just goes to show no matter what you do, you always get hate. But the idea is, I'm not going to keep doing this for a long time. I'm slowly going to stop blurring my videos. I've been getting comments from my last videos. Why am I blurring the stats, etc., etc.? Well, because, you know, it's just not sustainable. I can't do it forever. I can't keep exposing all my channels. I'm going to run out of them, right? And I'll do one channel that I do want to keep hidden. When just how I make most of my money. But anyway, let's go to the video. If we watch the video, you can see it's like B-rolls, you know, 9 B-rolls, fashion trends, stuff like that. There's also some animations, some picture scheme there, etc., etc. So it's not something that's crazy to edit. It's very easy to do. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So first off, first thing we want to go ahead and do is obviously to automate the thumbnails. I've gone ahead and done some more research, found some competitor channels that also copied me, started recently. The ambience of these niches are really high, around $6 to $7. This is all just also some other channels I'm looking at the moment. But let me show you how to go ahead and generate this. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is to make a thumbnail. So I'm going to show you how to come up with a video idea. Really simple, pretty easy, but I'm going to show you 1 to 2 right here. So to make the thumbnails, I think you all already know this. It's simple, but it's very important. So go to Google Labs, whichever one works. So it's called Google Flow. Go to Google Flow. Go ahead and take another screenshot. Essentially, with assignment. So let's make a new project. So essentially, you take the screenshot. Google Flow is completely free. So we're going to easily file a thumbnail. So you drag it here, and then you say something like, hey, learn from this video these thumbnail ideas, the style to do the thumbnails, because I'm going to be making thumbnails from my own video, and I'm going to give you the title, and then you're going to make the thumbnail for me. So all you have to do is to say something like that. And now when you have your title of your video in here, it's going to go ahead and make your own thumbnail with the style. Go ahead and make the other video this. How would you right now, sitting on your couch or laying in bed, how would you start to replicate this niche? And please, I do want to say there's any niche works, guys. All the niches I give you guys work. The reason it feels like you're not like seeing results is either your trust score is cooked, or 2, you're just not being consistent enough. And 1, if you feel like your trust score is cooked, if you're making good videos, you've been posting every day, posting every single day, being consistent, and you've made like 15 videos and you feel like you're not really making progress, it's probably your trust score, right? And we do have a system for that. So if you're pre-month channel that has a really good trust score. So especially when you start getting impressions and getting paid, go and apply at headstartchannels.com. It's not for everyone, again, but if you do get accepted, as you can see, some crazy shitting testimonials here, like insane. No one else has these testimonials in the game. But if you get accepted, we will give you a promoted channel, give you your niche, give you the system you need to start making your videos, essentially to get you there. Like I said, it's not for everyone. But yeah, if you think that's your issue, again, people think this is their issue all the time. It might not be your issue, but if you think that's actually what you're facing, then go ahead and head over there. But if not, then you probably just have not been consistent enough. So now let me show you how you could replicate the viral like ideation that we're doing on this channel. So it's either you come here and copy the channel link of this, or you copy the channel link of this. I'm going to copy this one. Let's just say you want to replicate the formula that we're doing right now. As you can see, 6 days ago, we had that pretty viral video. So what we'll do is we'll copy this right here. So make sure you copy this. That's how you copy the channel URL. Come over to the, as you can see, it's loaded. Come over here and go to channelrecipe.com. So go to this website right here. So essentially, this website has all the recipes that you'd need to make the videos in the first place. So you come over to channelrecipe.com. So essentially, it has all the formats that you'd need to generate these videos already inside. So you can go ahead and get started for free right here. So I'm going to come in. But what you do here is very important, guys. So don't just try to wing this. Just pay attention so you actually get the style properly. It's the first thing you want to do. Very important. Before you even make any video, copy the channel link. You want to come over to tools and go to niche screener. Okay. This is what you need to really give you the ideas. So essentially this one, actually, I forgot this one, what it does is it explains to you how to make their video. So you can paste a video link and it explains to you how to make the videos. But what we want is either channel analyzer right here, or we can go to Script Studio. So let's go to Script Studio. We're going to paste the channel link. Let's fetch like 30 videos. What it's doing here is it's essentially getting all this data from the channel. I mean, it's going to learn from it. It's going to learn from it, learn the style of it, how, why is it going viral? Like what kind of ideas go more viral than others? Every single channel on YouTube has a winning recipe. Every single channel on YouTube has a winning format. Very important that you understand this. So I'm sure a lot of you probably already do this, but if you're a beginner watching this video right now, you need to get data from the channel so you can essentially predict the video ideas that the audience wants to see. Very important. So now let's go ahead and wait for this to fetch all the videos. And after that, we're going to get some video ideas before we go ahead and cook up the video. All right, so it's done now. So it's land from the channel. We've added it. So what we want to go ahead and do is to come over to video ideas right here. We won't generate, say, 7 video ideas. Let's do 7 video ideas. Why not? Lucky number 7. So let's wait for that. Before you go ahead and do that, though, you want to pay attention to, like, you will actually watch the videos yourself. This is what I do. Like, I actually watch the videos. I understand it. So I have an idea myself what ideas would go viral. Because once it gives me a couple of viral video ideas here, I still want to be able to tell which ones are good, which ones are mediocre, which ones I'm going to do next. You still want to have the ideas. So you want to drink your videos. There's a terminology that would tell you use. You want to drink your videos, edit like the videos, understand it before you even go over to the ideation stage. But we're kind of in the ideation stage, so we're going to go ahead and wait for that to finish. And boom, let's go ahead and continue. So idea number 1, the M&S Sainsbury Tesco quality swap. Nobody noticed. It's too long. Well, we can fix the title. This is not the title yet. It's just idea. 5 dead UK clothing brand actually come back 2026. Again, these ideas are resonating with the slightly older audience. That's why the bad PMs are so good. So you could, guys, don't just be watching this video. Follow what I'm doing right now, okay? So you don't having excuses for why you're not posting in this niche. So I'm going to select idea 3, actually. So I'm going to select idea 3. And I'm going to, I'm going to select idea 3. Looks pretty good by me. Now I'm going to go titles. Generate some titles. Let's go ahead. I'm to actually add probably copied. Boom. Pasted. Generate titles. So it can give us some pretty good title ideas that we can use. So now that this script is done, I want to put a title. All my data is copy the title. If we go back. You want to click cinematic 0 like this. Paste your title here. Click next. Right, paste the script. I want to reduce this for the sake of this tutorial. Click next. Now all it's doing is generate now voiceover. So we're going to wait for that. After that, we can do the thumbnail. Then we can click the video. And just like that, it's finished doing the voiceover. Now it's the thumbnail. Obviously, these thumbnails are so bad. So we need to do the whole system again. But I'm not going to do that because instead of doing that, I'm going to do it with Google Flow. which, like I said, then is completely free. So I will just paste the title up there when I need it, but I'm just going to continue for now. And all I have to do here is put my email address. If I want, I'll just start cooking up the video here. So now we're going to sit back, relax, and just let that do its day. While that's happening, though, I'm going to go to Script Studio, copy the title of the video again, and put it here because I want this to generate out thumbnails. And all we have to do is to wait for this to go ahead and finish. You're about to discover something the fashion industry has been hiding from you. A single factory, 2 price tags, one supplies a £15 item from Primark. The exact same factory supplies a £150 luxury brand. I found the proof, and when you see which brands share this factory, you will understand why the high street has been lying to you for years. Let me show you what I found. I started researching factory codes on clothing tags. Most people never look at them. They are tiny, printed on the inside of the garment in the smallest font possible. But those numbers tell you everything. They tell you exactly where that piece of clothing was actually made, and they tell you something else. They tell you that the price you paid has almost nothing to do with the factory quality. I found a factory in Vietnam, factory code V847BH. I started cross-referencing this code with every piece of clothing I could find. What I discovered was shocking. This factory produced basic cotton t-shirts for Primark, simple designs, basic construction, retail price £14.